What's going on, guys? Welcome to another Nick Dog video. We're just gonna show you guys this awesome package that we just got and UPS just dropped it off. Ooh-wee! Yes, sir. Oh, let's see. I have not opened it up yet. I just wanted to show you guys how it comes. If you guys are ever thinking about ordering one, and yes, it is a Lectron Carburetor. Alright. Bada bing, bada boom. So, I've always heard so many good things about this, and I got tired of jetting my carburetor all the time. You guys noticed the last Georgetown video? She's running like crap, so we went ahead and made the move. Can't wait to put this bad boy on. With the throttle cable, it's got to be a bit longer. Open this, take this plastic off real quick. And there it is in all its glory. It looks pretty cherry. Can't wait to put this bad boy on. Installation video coming tomorrow. Let me know if you guys want me to do an installation video on this. Can't wait to rip this bad boy. I'm pumped. Here's the little tool for the, I believe it's called a metering rod. Easier way to adjust it. Freaking truck killing the video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys let me know. Installation vid. Should I do it tomorrow? Yes or no? If not, Saturday we're doing we're going to Hollister and ripping it up. We're doing first impression video, how I like it, how all the ups and downs of it, stuff like that. Yeah, buddy. Alright, guys, smash that like button, subscribe, share this video, and if you guys haven't, hit that notification bell because YouTube's being stingy. Videos ain't popping up on people's feed unless you hit that bell. So hit that bell, subscribe, like this video. Peace, guys. We'll see you soon.